Hi guys! Today is Sunday and normally ang buhaton sa mga tao diri kay manggawas.
Malibang.
Manggawas.
Malibang.
Uy,
Sa Tagalog, malibang.
aya malibang. Maglibang.
Maglibang. Sa
Di
Bisaya,
malibang.
nalibang.
Kaya kay ang mga malls diri kay close. So Sunday here is dapat during summer or spring manggawas tanan kay sirado ang mga malls, wala sirado ang Ayala, ang SM wala. Normally ang open ka kay restaurants or mga restaurants or that's it. Restaurants o mga gas stations
Mga
or
hubo-hubo.
So, say hi and tell them where we're going, guys. Bergen. Schloss. So,
Dapat mo ni. Hi guys!
So, I'll show you this is the way going to the castle and I think traffic gamay kasi I think tanan padung adto. So, dito mag-trekking ka padung sa castle and then ikahuman pwede ka mag-grill.
Pwede ka sugba. Sugba, elepante.
Yeah. So, please watch. So guys, normally there is sa Europe or as far as I know 90% sa malls kay close. So ang the only thing that's open are the restaurants or kanang mga gas station. So mo lang trip mo gawas, magbike, maglakaw-lakaw or dire more on going outside. So here, may gani nakauna may normally puno na ni siya. Say hi, Garen.
Hi.
So, normally puno ni siya, labi na kung summer. So, kami sayo-sayo mi. So, mag-una mi og grill. Kay gutom na, kay las 12 na. After ani, I'll take you up. We'll go to the castle. Ang castle kay dito. So, musaka ta. But as you can see, nanay mga tao, nanay nag-park. So, nag-grill na sila. Uban mustay ra diri, uban musaka. Kaya na restaurant sa castle and so far I highly recommend their cheesecake. Lami kay lang cheesecake. But for now, diri sa ta mga unta. So among gidala. So nagdala mig. I'll show you what we bought. So tubig, Coke, pan, and kanira mong lutoon. This is of course bratwurst mauni ang sa like kung tender juicy sa ato murag mo nilang staple food cause you all know ang Germans kay jud hilig og rice so they're more on meat and vegetables so kani jud ilang when you go to Germany mo jud ni you should try this bratwurst lain-lain og klase so mura niya mo isugba and what else it's hot. Tubig. What's this?
Tubig.
Tubig. That's tubig. And, kani siya, you can buy this sa store. So, ikaabli ni mo ana kay nanay uling. So, mura siya disposable na grillan. Then, luto na ka. So, lighter. And then, dalami og some biscuits and some fruit, saging. So, okay na. So, ready na. No, dili jud ka na og gasto. And, but ganahan man siya mo gamit og kahoy. Himingaw kag halingga. So, kita siya daghan og. Tanaw na to if maka-appeal ni siya sa Survivor series. Wala kag lighter? So, maghaling na ta. Pero among lutoon kay actually hotdog ra. Or bratwurst, sorry. Bratwurst. Okay. You found some stock, kuya? Wow!
Now it's starting to warm. Yeah, see?
You try to help Papa, Garen. Your turn to help.
With some, Mama, we need some stool.
Full.
Yeah, two. Like we two.
You can sit on my chair. The other one is in the car.
No, this is I was tiny.
Gigutom na ka? You want to eat? Ha? Oh, abi na ko ka na yung gamiton ga. So,
Kay plato gid ba?
Boy,
wala. Ang bawnanan ra ni Garen.
try to get it. Try to get it, boy. Don't. Try to get it, boy. Wait. Try to get this.
So, mauna siya ang sulod. So, disposable ra siya.
I thought that's eating. I thought that's eating. It doesn't burn.
So, nanari siya murag gas. Garen.
Oh.
Garen, be careful.
I'm careful. I just want to know. I think more.
So, diri kay basta sirado sa Europe jud, it's like maybe 100% of the malls are closed. So, kung spring na hapit or kung spring na or summer, i-take advantage jud sa mga tao ang mugawa. So, mao na ilang trip. So, if you cannot beat them, join them. So, ma-influencer sa ka, and it is fun. So, instead sa mall, adto mo sa Hi guys, wala mi kadag
Hey,
barbecue
Twin.
sticks.
Shade them out or do we have somewhere to put them?
Ketchup. Here. Put your ketchup.
Yeah,
Gavin, where's your hot dog? So guys, so nagsugba-sugba na mi, ubay-ubay na sad ang tao, then I ni joy na mo. Pero ang akong mga anak, ako sang pangitaon, kay nangawa. Asa man ni sila? Gavin, Garen! Gavin, Garen, not too far. Come, kuya. Nagduwa sila duha sa kalasangan. Gavin! I said not too far. Garen! Here!
Not too far.
Nindot ang weather, so okay ra jud kayo magdugay sa gawas. I think today it's 15 degrees. Taga na kayo nag So ang way sa castle kay dito pasaka. So after kaon if ano sila gikapoy mo saka pa ta. If not then we'll come back here next time. We always do pag sa summer or spring kay nindot kayong hangin. Malingaw ra sad ni silang duha. Sila ra duha. So daw ni daghan ng mga tao dayon. So yes, you can see so far limpyo sad. So when you're here miski grabe naman sad if pataka kaglabay basura. I think madala ka sa kanindot na mo respeto na ka sa nature. So there are trash cans everywhere kanang dapit sa mga auto. So pwede ka diha mo labay. So ayaw.
Here, Bob.
Guys, if you have trash, where will you throw it? In the
The
mule?
garbage.
Yeah.
You need to go for my gown.
Yeah. But kuya, be careful ha. Watch your brother. Be careful, not too far.
Thanks.
Nindot kaayo. Hey, you stay here. I'll go. Yeah, see you guys. Till next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye guys. See you.
Yay, so we wrap it up.
Yeah, we'll wrap it up. See you soon on our next adventure. Say choose. Papa, say choose.
I need to say everybody.
Yeah. Again, Nokmal? Choose.